In this video, we're going to give you some tips to help you make the most out of your plug-in hybrid DS. Each time you set off on a journey, choose the most suitable mode. The vehicle starts in electric mode by default. For short trips of less than 80 kilometers or 50 miles, this is the best option. If you're going to be traveling further than 80 kilometers or 50 miles, select hybrid mode and use your navigation system to optimize your electric consumption. When you're driving in the city or on mountain roads, turn on B mode for greater braking comfort and energy recovery. As you know, when a plug-in hybrid vehicle is driven in electric mode, it recovers energy during braking and deceleration. B mode boosts this process. On long journeys, if you know you'll want to use electric mode at some point, you can use the eSave function to reserve the necessary electric range. Before you set off, set the percentage of battery capacity you want to save and activate hybrid mode. Only use the eSave function if you know you're going to use electric mode at some point during your journey. Simply switch to electric mode when you enter a zero-emissions zone, and the vehicle will use the reserved power. In certain conditions, electric mode will be disabled when you start the vehicle. This happens when the battery level is too low for electric mode, but still sufficient for hybrid or four-wheel drive mode. Electric mode may also be disabled at startup in order to clear out the combustion engine, or temporarily unavailable if the outside temperature is negative. During the winter season, it's best to do at least one long journey in hybrid or sport mode every month. In general, go ahead and use up all of your vehicle's electric range and then recharge at a public charging station when you can, or once you get home in the evening. In this case, you can program your vehicle's recharge and the thermal preconditioning from the MyDS app. That way, your battery will be fully charged and the vehicle will be at a comfortable temperature in time for departure. Happy driving!